These AI dancing baby videos have been going absolutely viral on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, racking up millions of views and earning their creators serious money. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral videos yourself. Now, instead of using expensive platforms like Kling AI, I'm going to introduce you to a different AI video generator that gives you several generations to get started. Here is a sample. So the video I just showed you was created using Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI is an essential tool for content creators because it's truly an all-in-one platform. There are multiple AI models built right into it, so you don't need to subscribe to separate platforms or pay for different tools. Everything is inside Higgsfield. They have VEO 3.1, WAN 2.5, Kling 2.6 with audio support, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Flux, and the regular Kling 2.6. Like that, they have many powerful models all in one place. So instead of juggling multiple subscriptions, Higgsfield gives you access to everything you need. I've covered this platform in previous videos, and I can tell you, you can create insanely powerful videos with it. The quality and accuracy of AI-generated videos has improved dramatically. Compared to what was possible even a few months ago, the videos coming out now have incredible detail and motion accuracy. You can now create stunning AI dancing baby videos that look professional and polished. And the best part? You can monetize these videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook without any issues. So let's dive in and see exactly how to create these superb AI videos step by step. First things first, you'll need to sign up for an account on Higgsfield AI. Don't worry, I've made this super easy for you. Just check the video description below and you'll find the direct link to get started right away. Once you're logged in, the very first thing we need to do is generate the baby image that we'll be using for our dancing video. And to create this image, we're going to be using one of the most powerful models available on Higgsfield AI, Nano Banana Pro. Now, let me walk you through this process step by step. When you're on the Higgsfield AI homepage, you're going to click on the Image Generation section. You'll see an option that says Create Image. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need a prompt to enter into the prompt field. This is where the magic happens, because the quality of your prompt directly affects how good your baby image will turn out. Now, I've spent time testing and perfecting a prompt specifically designed for generating these adorable dancing baby images, and it works incredibly well. If you'd like me to share this exact prompt with you, simply type the words, "Let's go viral," in the comment section below, and I'll send it to you personally. Trust me, this prompt will save you a lot of trial and error. Once you have your prompt ready and paste it into the prompt field, it's time to select your model. I'm going to choose Nano Banana Pro as my image generation model because, in my experience, it consistently produces the best results for this type of content. Now, since we're creating videos specifically for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook, which all use vertical video format, we need to select the 9:16 aspect ratio. This is the perfect size for mobile viewing and will make sure your videos display properly on these platforms. For video resolution, I'm going to select 2K. This gives us crisp, high-quality output that looks professional and will stand out in people's feeds. Once you've got all your settings configured, click the Generate button. Now we wait for the AI to work its magic and create our baby image. Alright, once your baby image has finished generating, you're going to see it appear on your screen. Now, what you need to do is download this image to your computer. So that's the first method for generating your baby image, using Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield AI. But here's the thing, I want to give you options, because creativity is all about flexibility. So let me show you a second method that's equally effective and gives you even more variety. For this second approach, we're going to start with real baby photographs from Pinterest and then transform them into AI-style images. Head over to Pinterest. You can do this on your browser or through the Pinterest app. In the search bar, type something like cute baby portraits or whatever style you're going for. You'll immediately see a massive collection of beautiful baby pictures to choose from. Take your time browsing through the results until you find one that really catches your eye. When you find a picture you love, simply download it to your device. For today's tutorial, I've already picked out a specific photo that I really like, and I'm going to show you exactly how to transform it. Now that you have your baby photo saved, going to convert it into that signature 3D Pixar cartoon style that looks so good in these viral videos. To do this, click the plus button on Higgsfield AI image generator to upload the image. Select the baby photo that you saved from Pinterest and upload it. Once your image is loaded, here's what you're going to type in the prompt field. Convert this image to a 3D Pixar style, then hit generate. And there we go! Look at that! The baby has been completely transformed into a 3D cartoon character with that beautiful Pixar-style animation look. It's adorable, right? The AI has taken that real photograph and converted it into something that looks like it came straight out of an animated movie. Let's move into the second part of this tutorial, which is the really exciting part. This is where we're going to convert these baby images into actual dancing videos. The first thing we need to do is find a dancing video that our AI baby is going to replicate. And the best place to find trending dance videos is, of course, TikTok. So let me show you exactly how to do this. Open up TikTok on your phone or your computer browser. Now, because I create these videos regularly, I actually already see dancing content on my For You page as soon as I open the app. But if you don't, here's what you need to do. Go to the search button at the top of the screen. It looks like a magnifying glass. Click on it, and in the search bar, simply type the word dance. Hit search, and boom, you're going to see an endless stream of dance videos to choose from. There are literally thousands of options. Now, here's something really important that I need you to pay attention to, because this will make or break the quality of your final video. When you're selecting a dance video to use as your reference, you need to pick one where the person's full frame is visible in the shot. What do I mean by that? The dancer's hands need to be showing, their legs need to be showing, and their entire body needs to be inside the frame of the video. You don't want a video where the camera is cutting off parts of their body or where they're moving in and out of frame. The AI needs to see the complete dance movements in order to accurately copy them onto your baby character. So as you're scrolling through the dance videos, look for ones where the dancer stays fully visible throughout the entire video. Once you find a dance video you like that meets these criteria, you're going to download it. Just click on the video, then look for the download or save option. Depending on your device, you might need to click the share button first, then select save video. For this tutorial, I've already picked out a specific dance video that I want to use. I've saved it to my computer, and this is the one we're going to work with today. Just a quick note, I've muted the audio in my demonstration here so that I don't run into any copyright issues while recording this tutorial. But don't worry, I'll explain how to handle audio later. So this is the dance video I want our AI baby character to replicate. Let's move on to the next step. Before we continue, I want to make something very clear. Everything I'm showing you on my PC right now can be done exactly the same way on your mobile phone. The process is identical. Higgsfield doesn't have a dedicated mobile app yet, so you'll simply use your regular web browser on your phone, whether that's Chrome, Safari, or whatever browser you prefer. The interface and the steps are the same. When you register for a new Higgsfield account, they automatically give you 10 free credits to get started. These credits allow you to create your first batch of videos without spending a single dollar. Pretty generous, right? What we're going to do now is scroll down on the dashboard until we find a specific model called Kling Motion Control. This is a relatively new model that Higgsfield has added. Click on the Kling Motion Control option and you'll see a button that says Upload Reference Video. This is where we're going to upload that dance video we downloaded from TikTok. Click on that button and select your downloaded TikTok dance video from your files. Now, here's one thing to keep in mind. The video needs to be 30 seconds or less. If your video is longer than 30 seconds, you'll need to trim it down. In my case, the video I downloaded is actually longer than 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is select just the first 30 seconds of the dance. Usually that's enough to capture the main moves anyway. Once I've selected the portion I want, I'll click Save. The video will take a moment to upload and process. If you see an area about the video's aspect ratio, simply use a free online video upscaler to upscale your video. Once your reference video has finished uploading, we move to the next step. You'll see an option that says Add Character. Click on that, and this is where you're going to upload the baby image that we generated earlier, either the one from Nano Banana Pro or the 3D Pixar style one we created. Select your baby image from your files and upload it. The AI is now going to take this static baby image and make it perform the exact same dance moves that are in your reference video. How cool is that? Before you hit that generate button, let me show you some important settings that will ensure you get the highest quality output possible. First, you'll see a field that says Prompt. Now, here's my personal recommendation based on all the videos I've created. I actually leave this field completely blank. I don't write anything in the prompt box. Why? Because I want the AI to focus purely on copying the dance movements exactly as they appear in the reference video, without any additional instructions that might confuse it or alter the result. Now, if you want to add specific instructions, like changing the background or adding certain elements, you can definitely write a prompt. But in my experience for these dancing baby videos, leaving it blank gives you the cleanest, most accurate results. Next, and this is really important, scroll down to where it says Video Quality or Resolution Settings. You're going to see options like 720p, 1080p, and possibly others. Always select 1080p. This ensures your final video is crisp, clear, and high definition. Remember, we're creating content for social media platforms where quality matters, so don't settle for lower resolution. Once you've got everything set up, click the Generate button. Now, you'll see a message appear on the screen. Sometimes, because you're using the free version, the generation is going to take some time. In fact, you're looking at about 45 minutes of waiting time for your video to be fully generated and rendered. But if you're serious about creating content and building a business around these viral videos, at some point you'll want to consider upgrading to a paid plan that gives you faster generation times. Alright, so the generation is complete, and let me show you the result. Look at this. I think it looks absolutely amazing. The quality is fantastic, the movements are smooth, and the baby is dancing just like the person in the reference video we uploaded. The AI has done an incredible job of mapping those dance moves onto our baby character. You can see how fluid the movements are, how natural it looks. This is exactly the kind of content that goes viral on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, one thing I need to mention. You'll notice that I had to mute the audio in this demonstration video because of copyright concerns. When you're recording tutorials like this, you have to be careful about using copyrighted music. However, when you're creating your actual content for TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, you can absolutely use the original trending audio from the dance video you downloaded. In fact, using trending sounds is one of the key strategies for making your videos go viral, because the algorithm favors content that uses popular audio tracks. If you want to see the full dancing baby videos with their real audio intact, the actual viral quality content, I've posted it on my TikTok channel, and you'll find them linked in the description below this video. Go check those out to see the final, polished results. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to create these viral AI dancing baby videos from start to finish. Now it's your turn to go out there and start creating. Experiment with different dances, try different baby styles, and most importantly, have fun with it.